today I am going to introduce Instagram content hub planner and schedule Notion template. So today I have created this Notion template from scratch. If you are using Instagram and if you are influencer, content creator, and you want to schedule, planner, and content your daily routine life about an Insta, TikTok, Facebook, Thread, even Twitter, any social media platform. So this Notion template will help you. So I am going to go over this Notion template, like what I have include in this Notion template. So first of all, you can see this is Instagram content hub planners and schedule Notion templates. So in this Notion template I have add quick these all pages, like brand identity page, content strategy page, content pillar, and daily goals. This is all strategy page. I have separate made this section. Then next is creation page. So in this creation hub, you can see content manager page, and this brainstormer page, posting schedule page, inspiration content page, collaboration, and lost partnership. Then third is tool hub. So here you can see analytics, finance, you can organize your finance budget, etc. Then audio hub, then hashtag, hook, notes, resources, archive, and so more. So then if we move here in this uh, right side, here you can see this is content hub. You can add here new pages. And next is daily best ideas. You can save your daily best ideas here. Then is finance tracker. In this section you can manage everything: new pages, daily base, payment structure, etc. Then daily goals and so more. Then I have a calendar view. So here you can check out your schedule daily life. So this is overview of this Instagram content hub planner and schedule Notion template. So if you need this template, so I am offering you free of cost. You just comment in free in comment section, so I will provide you. If you have any further question about Notion, and if you want to organize your Notion template, so I am offering as a freelancer these all services like monday.com, Notion, Asana, ClickUp, Trello, Airtable, Zapier, and so more. So you can check out my WhatsApp and email. Thank you for watching this video.